Hello friends, this video is brought to you by Georgian Theory Concept. All right, let's get started. In this video we'll be looking at the second aspect, which is Lorenz Curve. In the last video you saw the concept of an ogive. Now, what is Lorenz Curve? Lorenz Curve is nothing but it is a cumulative percentage curve in which the percentage of items, take note of that, are shown with the percentages of other things such as income, wealth, profits. Okay, Lorenz Curve. Okay, now let's take an example. With this example we are going to illustrate the concepts very well. Now look at this example. The table below shows the distribution of wealth in an hypothetical economy. All right, don't forget, a Lorenz curve shows the cumulative percentage. It is a cumulative percentage curve in which percentage of items are shown with percentages of other things. So the first step here is to ascertain the cumulative income. Just ascertain the cumulative income. Okay, now to get the cumulative income, here we have 8,000. now we have 12,000 plus 8,000, so this will give us 20,000. Okay, then if you have 20,000 plus 20,000, this will give us 40,000. 40,000, all right, plus 40 to give us 80,000. Then 80 plus 80,000, this will give us 160. That's the cumulative. That's how to get the cumulative. The next thing is to get the percentage of cumulative. Okay, the percentage of cumulative. Now to get the percentage of cumulative, this is 100% already. All right, now for this it will be 80 divided by 160 multiplied by 100 all over 1. Okay, 8,000 divided by 160 multiply by 100 all over 1, and it will give you 5%. Take your calculator. Then for this will be 20 divided by 160 multiply by 100 all over 1. All right, it will give you 12.5%. then for this it will give you 25%, and lastly for 80 it will give you 50%. Okay, you will do the same thing for the family. This is the average income in a family of 100, the average income in a family of 200. This is 200. Okay, so you have cumulative. The cumulative here is 100. 100 plus 200, 300. 300 plus 300, 600. 600 plus 400, that's 1,000. 1,000 plus 500, that's 1,005. Okay, now you get the percentage of cumulative. So that's the another step. So as you have gotten this, we have 100 divided by 1,5 to give you 7%. 300 divided by 1,5 times 100 all over 1 will give you 20%. 600 divided by 1,5, okay, that's 600 divided by 1,5 times 100 all over 1. It will give you 40%. 1,000 divided by 1,5, that's 67% approximately, and of course this is 100%. This is 100%. Okay, so you are going to plot this income on the y-axis of the graph. You plot this on the x-axis of the graph. Okay, so let us do that. Then you come this way, your graph, So we know that the highest since the highest value is 20, 40, 60, 80, so this is income represented by Y, and this is the family represented on the X axis, on the horizontal axis. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so this is 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. Okay, then for this we have, this is 0 of the graph, of the origin of the graph. We have 20%, okay, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. So this is a Lorenz curve to show. Now you now plot, this is 5%, okay, this is 5% against 7%. So on the y-axis this is 10, all right, and this is 5, then this is 10, then this is something 7. All right, so that's the first plotting. The next one is 12.5 against 20. This is 20%. Then if this is 10, 12.5 will be something around there. All right, then this is 25%, and this is 40%. This is 40%, okay, then 25%, this is 30, so this is 25%. Okay, now this is 50%, this is 50%, and the other one is 67%. This is 70, so 67% will be around there. All right, you can see. Then 100 and 100%. So our 100 top of the graph, and these then we join. Now what we now do to show inequality, you now join the 100 and this together. You join this together. This straight line means inequality, it means equality of income, okay, but this one shows the inequality, and the gap here is to show how the income has been distributed within the family. Okay, it shows unequal or inequality distribution of income. Okay, now this place is called the Gini coefficient. It's called the Gini coefficient. Okay, it will show the inequalities in the income, all right, within the family. So that's how to, so this is a Lorenz curve, and this is how to prepare your Lorenz curve. Okay, so you can replay the video once more. Hope you understand. If you do, thank you. This video is brought to you by Georgian Theory Concept. This is my WhatsApp number. In case you have any question to ask, please don't hesitate to call me on this number. Bye for now.